The final mile logistics networks supporting surgical cases have remained unchanged for more than 25 years. While there has been great advancements in medical device technology, the final mile has been left with paper processes and fragmented networks with a large number of partners with varying degrees of capabilities. This has led to a limited amount of information, impacting your visibility to spend, inventory utilization, and creates difficulty in managing your logistics networks, which impedes your overall business performance. At MNX, we are tracking to 25, a 25% total cost of ownership improvement by delivering cost management, performance management, branch and process standardization, along with strategic visibility into your final mile. Let's take a look at an example with a medical device company. They had an autonomous branch network where each location was run independently by a local branch manager, which led to a lack of uniformity between branches. And at the branch level, they didn't think anybody could manage their final mile needs better than they could. They mainly have employee drivers and supplement their network with agent providers as well. And because of this, they had limited visibility into spend and no standard audit process. Their final mile network was an information black hole. Oftentimes, expenses were paid by a P card at the branch level, which impacted cost management and audit oversight. And from a driver quality standpoint, they had an inadequate driver onboarding and verification process, which left them at risk from a compliance standpoint. They had an ad hoc dispatch process, which was paper-driven, and sometimes drivers were dispatching other drivers at the branch level. And because of this, they lacked any data-driven continuous improvement opportunities. Their sales reps were left without visibility or confidence in the system and process, which led to unnecessary rush order types to cover their cases. They lacked a defined returns process, which led to misships, delays, and poor asset utilization. They sought a strategic partner to identify their challenges and improve performance. They chose MNX Surgical Case Logistics, and we have rolled out a nationwide program in order by branch priority. MNX delivered $3 million of validated cost savings in year one, and we are on track to deliver 21% total cost of ownership reduction with a targeted cost savings for 2023 of more than $5 million. We are also enabling our client the ability to capture as much as $5 million in recoverable freight expenses with their customers by complying with the service level agreements within their customer contracts. MNX manages a hybrid network of customer employee drivers and MNX managed drivers on a single platform, meaning they have the visibility to every driver, insourced or outsourced, in a single view by branch and network wide. And with GPS tracking for driver activity, they have instant access to route information and can receive push notifications as they choose. And with barcode scanning of every kit, they now have the peace of mind knowing that the right kit will be delivered at the right time. In addition, we have deployed the MNX driver certification program, raising their quality and compliance to new levels, mitigating their previous risk exposure, and improving their driver pool with qualified individuals receiving LMS-based training and site-specific work instructions at regular intervals. This managed network is enabled with technology to drive continuous improvements. In doing this, we give daily report cards and weekly program analytics, both at the branch and program-wide level, that reviews cost-saving initiatives, service and financial performance by driver, by hospital, by sales rep, by branch, and network-wide. Because of this, they now make the best informed decisions for their network because they have the best level of detailed information. MNX Surgical Case Logistics is a program-managed way to use your network to extract value and create differentiation to keep up with increase demand while managing costs.